The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by Kantaras Law.
It's summer wedding season, and with the rumors of Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce heading down the aisle soon, our next guests are here to answer the most common legal wedding and marriage questions, from prenups to child support to destination weddings. We now welcome attorneys Dean Kantaras and Stephanie Cavill from Kantaras Law. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
All right, so sometimes this can be an awkward conversation, but one that some families say needs to happen. Dean, how soon do you need to have a prenup agreement, and then when is it too late?
Well, I mean, too late is after the date of the marriage, right? So, but there's solutions for that as well. But typically, the earlier that you can address it, it's also less uncomfortable maybe if you bring it up months ahead of time. Everyone's on the same page and they negotiate the terms. You can, all the way up to hours before the wedding, you can still do a prenup. It's just not, you might create litigation later on as to the validity, what disclosure, things like that that may have not occurred before the agreement was signed. But no, I think as long as you do it, you know, the earlier the better.
The earlier the better. Yeah, hours before would make me nervous. And then if someone waits until after I do, Stephanie, what are their options if they miss that window of opportunity for a prenup?
There's still an opportunity. There's an agreement called a postnuptial agreement. It's the same thing as a prenuptial. It's just signed and executed after the marriage. And it's not signed with the intention of any expectation of litigation, but the parties can still make the same contract to the same terms as they would in a prenuptial agreement.
And then, Dean, what exactly changes once you are officially married in regards to assets and things like that?
Well, so from the date of your marriage until the date of, unfortunately, maybe you get divorced, anything accumulated during that time is considered, there's a presumption that it's marital. So assets accumulated, debts accumulated, the presumption is it's marital. Antenuptial agreements can qualify that, but if you don't have one, the statute would govern, and that's what happens.
Okay, and then if someone is getting married soon and they want to consider things like child support, alimony, what are the considerations that they need to have in mind, Stephanie?
Well, if they want to put that into an agreement, they have to understand, and what's important to know is that you can't contract away temporary support. So if you do ultimately get divorced, you still potentially have support obligations during the proceeding, but you can contract away for permanent future long-term alimony. And with kids issues, you can put those in the agreement, but there's a chance that a judge determines something differently at the time, because the court has to make a decision on what's in the best interest of your children at that time, not necessarily when you executed the agreement, and maybe one of the parties wants something different down the road. So you can contract for those things, but it's important to know that you may not get what you initially contracted for.
Okay, and that's why, as you said, Dean, the sooner the better with a lot of these things. Thank you both so much for being here.
Thank you.
All right, and for more information, you can visit KantarasLaw.com or call the number on your screen. It's 813-755-4300. Daytime will be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by Kantaras Law.